Welcome to the Systems Thinker, a video series to help you know the whole, focus on the constraint and reach your goal. There are two dimensions by which we can look at work, the content and the process. The content is, for the most part, concerned with the technical aspects and the process with how you get it done. For example, when you do an engineering calculation, the content is concerned with the materials used, the physical attributes of that material, and the way it behaves under differing conditions. The process is concerned with how you go about doing the calculations, what computer program you use to help, and how a colleague might then check and sign off the calculations. I put to you that on the process side, there are only three categories of work: planning, doing, and improving. To the extent that we do all three well is the extent to which we continuously improve our performance. On the planning front, let's recall that well-known mantra: proper planning prevents pathetically poor performance. You cannot hope to be a high performer in the doing phase if the planning is a shambles. Resources don't turn up when they're needed, work instructions are confusing, and multitasking runs rampant. That said, whatever the task we're given to do, once we repeat it, we will almost always find a better way to do it, whether it's hanging up the laundry or operating a nuclear submarine. If we take our inherent ability to improve and consciously undertake our plan, do, check, act cycle of learning, we put ourselves in a position to analyze what has happened systematically. Having done so, we provide considered and measurable improvement steps on the road to better and better performance. Clear thinking about the distinctions between the planning, doing, and improving work of process management will inevitably lead to your being more reliable and adept at competing in the market. That's your tip for better ways to do better work and redefine what's possible.